good software nowadays comes with a hefty price tag. Think about video editing, photo editing, or 3D design. Now, if you're on a tight budget, these 5 free apps on Windows will definitely boost your creativity. If you've ever used Premiere Pro, you probably know the struggle of random crashes, limited color tools, and overall frustrations on Windows. After 6 years, I finally switched to Davinci Resolve, and honestly, I'm never going back. The free version gives you insane pro-level tools, and I haven't had a single crash since switching. The interface is way more intuitive, and while the color grading tab still takes more getting used to, everything else just makes more sense. VLC Mediaplayer isn't the prettiest media player out there, but it's free, ad-free, and it just works for everything. I personally shoot a lot in ProRes with my iPhone and GH6, so I deal a lot with MOV files. Normally on Windows, you'd have to pay for the extra codec pack, but VLC plays everything right out of the box. Whether you're an editor, filmmaker, or just binge-watch movies, VLC is pretty much a must-have. Blender is one of the best examples of open source done right. With 3D design software like AutoCAD, Cinema 4D, or Maya costing a fortune, Blender gives you pro-level features for free. I'm still learning my way around it, so it's not a big part of my workflow yet, but I know it'll come in handy down the line. Whether you're into motion graphics, product renders, or just experimenting with 3D, Blender is an amazing tool to have, plus it keeps getting better with regular updates and a huge community backing it. There are tons of screen recorders out there, but OBS Studio is by far the most powerful and customizable I have tested out. It's free, open source, and loaded with features for streaming, recording tutorials, or just capturing gameplay. It supports advanced audio mixing, scene transitions, and multiple input sources like webcams, mics, and overlays. And if you're running a podcast or a full production setup, OBS can handle recording, live streaming, and even basic editing all in one place. If you're always moving files between your phone, laptop, desktop, or your NAS, Tailscale is a game changer. It's a VPN client that creates a secure personal network, or a tailnet, so all your devices act like they're on the same local network, no matter where they are. The free plan is more than enough for school projects, remote work, or even transferring videos from your iPhone to your PC. It's super easy to set up thanks to WireGuard, and there's no messing around with port forwarding or complicated configurations. Plus, it works across Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. It's really amazing to see what open source software can do nowadays, especially when everything is behind a paywall. I mean, these tools and apps are definitely among the best to boost your creativity out there.